this weekend's race at Unadilla just got a little more exciting, and it's because that guy right there, Ken Roczen, will be back. Now, obviously, this isn't going to affect the championship in any way, shape, or form, unless he goes 1-1 or ends up taking out Jet Lawrence or who knows. But this is still cool. I mean, from a fan's perspective, get to see Ken Roczen, something he doesn't do anymore, race motocross. I would be excited about this. And obviously, we have not seen him since what? April in what was it? Pittsburgh? Correct me if I'm wrong there. Obviously, he took the last couple rounds off due to an injury to his ankle, so we haven't seen him for a very long time. You never get to see him race motocross anymore because he's old and doesn't want to do it. But last year, he did the exact same thing. If you remember, he returned for Unadilla, raced and went, as I'm looking this up, 6-7 or 7-6, sorry, for seventh overall. And then he raced the last weekend on the 250 and went 9-12, 9-12 for ninth overall. So it's still kind of cool to see. You know, obviously, it'd be nice to see him to do a whole season. You know, race the Supercross, race motocross. You know, give a whole year of it. But obviously, as he's getting older in age towards the end of the career, I don't expect him to ever go back to doing that. That's not going to be something you're going to see. But it's still kind of a cool thing from a fan's perspective. To have him come back and race a one-off, come around, see how well he can do. As I'm looking this up, he's 31 years old. We're definitely never seeing him race a full year anymore. But it's just a cool thing. I mean, for the people who are going to Unadilla, you get that extra little bit of fan experience, being able to see one of the biggest names to ever come over here. Definitely one of the most talented people to ever do it. I'd be excited, but this is where I'm going to leave you. It's just a cool little story. Glad he's back. Would be cool to see from a personal perspective, but that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you going to Unadilla? Are you ready for motocross to be done and have these championships that don't matter be over onto SMX playoffs? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform always do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.